Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy FIFA World Cup tickets online. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over to FIFA.com and then you're going to click on tickets and hospitality from the top. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this that would say tickets, hospitality. So you're going to click on explore details button of tickets and you'll be able to see three options. So the first option is last minute sales. If tickets are still available, you can click buy now to purchase them. So you'll be redirected to a queue, and these tickets are sold on a first come, first served basis. So availability may change quickly depending on the demand. And then the next option that we have is FIFA Marketplace. So this is the official platform where fans can resell or exchange tickets, and the residents of most countries can list tickets for resale over here, while residents of Mexico can exchange eligible tickets through this system. And if you're unable to find tickets online through the standard sales channel, the marketplace can be a useful place to check for tickets being offered by other fans. So simply click on Resell Exchange Now to access the platform. And then the third option is FIFA Hospitality. So this provides premium matchday experiences that include tickets along with additional hospitality benefits. And to explore these packages, you're going to simply click on Buy Packages Now, and you'll be able to view available hospitality options, seating categories. First, you need to choose your country. And after that, you're going to select your host city that you want to do so. So let's go with Atlanta, and then you'll be able to see various packages that you can select from here. So you're going to choose the option that best fits your needs, follow the checkout process, and complete your purchase through FIFA's official platform. And that's how you can get FIFA World Cup tickets using the current ticketing options available on the FIFA website.